In the digital age, troubleshooting computer issues is a must-have skill. Omaha Computing Solutions provides a handy guide packed with insights for everyone, from casual users to small business owners. First up, understanding common computer problems. Software glitches can be annoying, causing programs to freeze or crash. Signs include unresponsive programs and frequent error messages. Restarting the program or updating it often does the trick. Hardware failures can be trickier. Strange noises, overheating, or a computer that won't turn on are red flags. Checking connections is a good first step, but persistent issues may require professional help. Network problems can leave users feeling isolated. Slow internet speeds or frequent disconnections are common signs. Restarting the router or checking for outages can help. If issues persist, adjusting network settings might be necessary. For small businesses, affordable IT solutions are key. Refurbished devices can save money while still delivering reliable performance. Subscription services offer predictable costs and access to quality support without needing a full-time IT staff. Maximizing value with minimal investment is crucial. Bundled services can provide multiple solutions at a lower price, while employee training can reduce reliance on external support. Regularly reviewing the IT budget ensures businesses get the best value. DIY troubleshooting techniques can empower users. Basic steps include checking the power supply, restarting the computer, and looking for error messages. Handy tools like screwdrivers, compressed air, and USB drives can make the process smoother. When to call a professional? If the computer won't turn on or strange noises occur, it's time to seek help. Enhancing computer performance is achievable with a few simple tweaks. Optimizing system settings, upgrading hardware, and performing regular maintenance can significantly improve speed and efficiency. Protecting data and privacy is essential. Strong passwords, encryption tools, and regular backups are crucial steps in today's digital landscape. Network optimization strategies can enhance connectivity. Positioning the router centrally, securing the network, and managing bandwidth effectively can lead to a smoother experience. Virus and malware prevention is vital. Reliable antivirus software, recognizing phishing attempts, and safe browsing practices can protect systems from threats. Remote IT support is a game changer, offering quick, cost-effective solutions without the need for a technician's physical presence. Choosing the right remote support service involves checking reputation, services offered, and availability. Understanding operating systems is important too. Windows is known for compatibility, while Mac OS is favored for its design. Linux offers a customizable option for those wanting to learn more. Choosing the right IT solutions provider can impact business operations. Evaluating service quality, comparing pricing models, and reading customer reviews are essential steps. Looking ahead, AI in troubleshooting, cloud-based solutions, and the rise of remote work are shaping the future of IT support. Embracing these trends can lead to a more efficient and accessible support experience. In conclusion, with the right knowledge and tools, tackling computer issues can be a breeze. Remember, every problem has a solution, and help is just a call away. Happy troubleshooting!